Alright, today's video is going to be on a Valleycomfy Microfiber leather steering wheel cover. This is a larger size, 15.5 to 16 inches around. This will fit your trucks and stuff a little bit easier. I'm going to show you how to install it. There's my helper. She's going to be helping me put it on today. Basically what you need to do is, first thing you need to do is get your steering wheel straight. A lot of people make the mistake of not putting their steering wheel straight. This has a couple patterns on it. It shows it going this way on there, so that's how we're going to put it on. When you put a steering wheel cover on, if you've never done it before, you want to put it over the top first. Make sure your 2 and 10 marks, if you have one, are lined up. And you really have to pull down on steering wheel cover. Pull that side. Pull that side, and then once you get it started, you've just got to really push and pull, and it will stretch out and fit. So a lot of people give bad reviews on steering wheel covers just because they haven't put them on before. They think it should just fit on there nice and easy. To fit on nice and easy, it would just slip around when you try to turn the wheel. You don't want that to happen. And what I'm doing now is I'm just working down the sides, so I'm pretty even on both sides. I'm twisting and pulling. As you can see, I'm still off a little bit on both sides, but I'm just going to keep on working that down and around. But as far as fit, it fits good. It actually has a pretty good grip. It grips the wheel well. And I'm pretty rough when it comes to working, so I'm going to end up getting dirty, greasy, and that'll keep me from tearing up my steering wheel.